What if I told you one of the most skilled architects in the animal kingdom weighs less than a golf ball and builds homes that even humans struggle to replicate? And the most surprising part? He builds it all just to impress someone. This is the most fascinating story of the Weaver, only on the X-Plorer. Across the grasslands and wetlands of Africa and Asia lives a fascinating bird, no larger than your palm, yet capable of feats that rival skilled human craftsmanship. This is the Weaver, and it is not defined by its size, but by its precision, intelligence, and relentless drive to survive. In a world filled with predators, harsh weather, and constant competition, these birds don't rely on strength. They rely on strategy, and every move they make, from how they fly, to how they build, to how they choose a mate, follows a single purpose: survival through mastery. Weaver birds belong to a group of small passerine birds known for their social nature and adaptability. They are most commonly found near water, grasslands, wetlands, and open savannas, where food and nesting material are abundant. Males are often brightly colored, displaying shades of yellow, gold, and black, especially during breeding season. Females, on the other hand, are more subdued in color, an advantage that helps them stay hidden from predators. Their bodies are compact, but their beaks are strong and sharply shaped. Perfect tools not just for feeding, but for manipulating materials with remarkable control. Despite their small size, these birds are highly active, constantly moving, observing, and interacting within their environment. They are not solitary creatures. They thrive in groups, sometimes forming colonies that transform entire trees into living structures of movement and sound. They display a level of coordination and awareness that is rare among small birds. From selecting the right materials to adapting to environmental changes, their actions are driven by instinct, but refined through experience. Males are territorial during breeding season, often competing for the best spots on trees. The position of a branch can mean the difference between safety and exposure. Communication plays a key role. Calls, movements, and displays are used to signal dominance, attract mates, or warn others of danger. Within a colony, there is constant activity. Birds flying in and out, inspecting structures, interacting with neighbors. It may seem chaotic, but beneath it lies a system. One built on awareness, timing, and survival instinct. Using long strips of grass, he begins with a single knot, looping it around a branch to create a secure anchor. From there, he weaves strand after strand, forming a structure that grows in complexity with every movement. This is not random. Each strand is placed with purpose, creating a design that is both flexible and strong. The nest hangs downward, often over water, reducing access for predators. Its entrance is narrow and strategically positioned, making it difficult for intruders to enter. But building the nest is only part of the challenge. Because in the world of weaver birds, the nest is a test. Life for a weaver bird is constant movement. They feed on seeds, grains, and insects, adapting their diet based on availability. During breeding season, protein-rich insects become essential for feeding their young. Predators are always present. Snakes, birds of prey, and even small mammals. One mistake, one moment of distraction can be fatal. Their colonies offer some protection. With many eyes watching, threats are often detected early. But this safety comes at a cost: competition. Not every bird succeeds. Some lose their nests. Others fail to attract a mate. Survival here is not guaranteed. It is earned through effort, awareness, and skill. After days of effort, the male presents his work. A female approaches, cautious, observant. She does not rush. She inspects every detail. She tests the strength. She examines the structure. She judges the placement. For the male, this moment decides everything. If the nest is strong, well-built, and secure, she accepts it. If not, she leaves. No second chances, no compromise. And just like that, days of work can be rejected in seconds. The male must begin again, rebuilding, refining, improving. This relentless cycle ensures one thing: only the best builders succeed. In the vast and unpredictable wild, the weaver bird stands as a symbol of precision and persistence. It does not dominate through strength, it survives through intelligence. That was the story of the weaver. If you like our story, like, comment, and subscribe, and join the X-Plorer family. We will see you in the next one.